Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared banana halwa. Banana halwa is a nutritious snack and it's a wonderful dessert. I used very less ingredients for this recipe friends. It turned out so good. Now let's get into the recipe. First of all, in a wok I've added cane sugar. I've crushed the cane sugar and added it to a wok. I'll be adding powdered cardamom powder. I've powdered the cardamom using a little bit of sugar. I've added water and I've allowed the cane sugar to melt on low to medium flame. Make sure you keep stirring it occasionally and you melt the cane sugar. Once the cane sugar has melted, just remove it from the flame and reserve it. We'll be straining this and using it in the halwa later. Now I'll be using the same mixer jar which I ground the cardamom. So in that I'll be chopping and adding the ripe plantain. You can use ripe plantain or you can use robusta banana. I'll grind the plantain. Once the plantain is ground well, I'll reserve it. We also need to prepare coconut milk ahead of time. So prepare the coconut milk ahead of time and reserve. Heat a heavy bottom pot on medium flame. I've added coconut oil. Once the coconut oil is heated well, I've added chopped nuts, almonds, cashews and melon seeds. We'll fry all of this on very low flame because it can tend to burn fast. We need to fry this on low to medium flame. Don't fry it too much. Just allow it to fry till it turns light brown in color. All the ingredients used in this recipe friends will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Once the cashews, almonds and the melon seeds have fried, I've drained it from the oil and reserved it on a plate. Now in the same heavy bottom pot I've added the ground plantain. It will discolor once you reserve it for a long time, so don't worry. I've also added the coconut milk. Now we'll strain and add the melted cane sugar or jaggery. Once all the ingredients are added, stir it thoroughly and place this on medium flame and keep stirring it. This took me roughly about 45 minutes to reduce completely. So I kept it on low to medium flame. I was occasionally stirring this, allowed it to boil. So after 45 minutes, the halwa is reduced to that consistency. I kept stirring it. If you leave this just like that on the stove top, it will burn. So keep stirring this. Now in a different bowl, I've added corn flour and all-purpose flour. I've added a pinch of salt and little bit of water. Diluted the entire thing and I've added this mixture to the halwa. Now we should be very careful once we add this. We need to add coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and keep stirring this again for another 25 to 30 minutes. That is when you'll get that halwa consistency and it will be very nice and glossy. So for another 25 to 30 minutes I kept stirring this and you can see that halwa consistency has formed. It is forming that ball consistency. Now at this point I've added the fried nuts. I reserved some nuts for later for decoration. I've added little bit of coconut oil and I kept stirring it. Now the halwa is ready. I'm going to be transferring this to a glass dish so that I can allow it to cool down a bit. And on top of the halwa I've decorated it with more fried nuts. Once the halwa is cooled down completely, that's when I'll be cutting it into 7 pieces and I'll serve it. It turned out so good, you must try it. All the ingredients used in this recipe friends along with detailed blog post and social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.